everyone, welcome back. Is DramaBox constantly buffering or freezing right in the middle of an episode? Here's the fix. First, go ahead and force close the DramaBox app completely from your recent apps, since a long playback session can build up a memory leak that causes freezing the longer you watch. Next, reopen the app and resume where you left off, or after that, go to your settings app, then go to Wi-Fi, toggle Wi-Fi off about for 30 seconds, then turn it back on, which resets your connection and clears a weak signal causing the buffering. If you're still on a shaky connection, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data in the settings, since a wired or stronger signal streams much more reliably if buffering continues on a strong connection as well. Unplug your router for 1 minute and plug it back in. And wait until the internet fully stabilizes before reopening DramaBox, since router side congestion is a very common hidden cause of buffering on streaming app. So all you've got to do is force close and reopen, restart your Wi-Fi, try switching networks, and restart your router if needed. DramaBox streams smoothly, and that's it. Subscribe.